Now sa video na to, medyo magaan-gaan muna tayo, okay? Wala muna tayong mga trim and stability, IMO standards, STCW, ganyan-ganyan. Medyo magaan muna, okay? Sa video na to, I'm going to explain bakit nga ba walang ipon ng ating mga seafarers, and at the same time, how do you make money? Okay? By using your money na nakuha mo on board the ship. Okay? Now, simulan muna natin sa bakit nga ba walang ipon ng ating mga seafarers. Because, again, maraming factors. Trainings, mga medical or health issues, or pwede rin naman na unnecessary spending or debt. Okay, alimbawa, ganito, DEBT Okay. Now, alimbawa, bumili ka ng Fortuner o nag-monthly amortization ka sa Fortuner. 'Di ba? Hindi mo pa nga, hindi ka pa nga napopromote, gumastos ka kagad. So, ang tendency, mataas ang chance na mahila ang sasakyan mo. Tapos may asawa at anak ka pa. Kung single ka, sige, knock yourself out. Sige, why not? Pero, mas maganda siguro kung mag-o-official ka muna. I recommend because marami akong kilala na ratings na kumuha sila ng sasakyan nila, tapos yung mga anak nila, yung mga mga pamilya nila is hindi nakakakain at ang papayat ng mga anak nila. Partida nakatira pa yan sa prestigious na mga subdivisions. So I think it would be a lot better kung just tiis-tiis muna ng konti, ipon muna kumbaga. Or it would be a lot better kung gusto mo talaga ng pang-entrepreneurial na advice, ituturo ko sa iyo kung how do you make money using your money right now. Okay, pwede ka magkaroon ng investment, pwedeng real estate, pwedeng online businesses, pwedeng pwede ka bumili ng isa pang business or franchise. Pwedeng ganyan. Or pwede rin naman bricks and mortars na type ng business. Okay, pwede from scratch mag-i-start ka. Pwede rin naman na sabihin na lang natin na gusto ko bumili ng ng isa pang franchise, isa pang business. And then, palalaguin ko to long term. Pwedeng ganon. Marami. Ito meron akong sinulat dito. Okay, how do you make money? Okay, number 1, through investments. Number 1, sa stock. Pwede naman sa crypto. Pwede rin naman sa real estate and sa online businesses. Halimbawa, social media pages. Pwedeng publishing business or online services. Online services like publishing, coaching, pwede ka magbenta ng products, bag, cosmetics, pwede ka magbenta ng ebooks or paperbacks, nasa sayo na yan. Basta the idea is social media services. Next natin dito is, ano ba yung i-recommend ko sa'yo dito? Pwede ka sa dalawa. In my case kasi ito yung nag-work, okay? On my investments, ito yung nag-work real estate tsaka yung online business. Okay? Dito sa dalawang to. Now, nasa sayo na lang ito kung gusto mong palaguin ito. Okay? Kasi iba-iba tayo ng iba-iba tayo kung saan tayo magaling, iba-ibang strengths natin Okay, iba-ibang weaknesses natin. Sa akin, my strengths is dito sa side na to ng sa lupa tsaka sa online business. May iba naman akong kasama, ang kanilang diskarte is sa Binance, sa crypto. Pwedeng ganon. Pwedeng ipasok mo yung pera mo sa cryptocurrency. Yung iba naman nag-stocks. May iba naman through stocks, through dividends sila kumikita. May iba naman na yung bricks and mortars na types ng business. Nagbebenta sila ng mga pagkain. Yung iba naman nagbebenta ng construction supply or ng repair services. The idea here is this: use the money to produce more money. Hindi yung gagamitin mo siya for another na gastos dito, gastos sa ganyan. No, I mean, very obvious naman ito. Pero then again, nasa marino pa rin yan kasi ito ang napapansin ko kasi in my social circle, kasi marami akong kilala na nagbabarko, na madaming mga marino ang nagtatayo ng negosyo pero long term hindi lumalago. Wala, parang stay put lang sila, hindi siya lumalago. Bakit? Kasi nga, they're not willing to learn. Okay? Hindi nila alam yung ano bang klaseng negosyo ang gusto ko. Basta sabi lang na magtayo ka ng negosyo. Hindi ganon. Dapat pag magtatayo ka ng negosyo, alam mo kung saan ka magaling. Okay? May iba pa nga sa amin na nagre-repair ng aircon, ng any kind of tawag yung mga refrigerant, yan, yung mga taga-makinista ko na mga makinista ko na kaibigan. Ayun, so yung kanilang services is napapakinabangan nila, nagkakaroon sila ng extra income, at the same time minamarket pa nila yung skills nila. So ngayon nare-recognize sila ng mga companies at ng iba't ibang tao. So ngayon tumataas ngayon yung kita nila. Ang ganda ngayon ng ROI nila or return of investment nila. And sooner or later, 'di ba? Pag tinuloy-tuloy pa nila kahit wag na sila magbarko kasi companies are recognizing them pwedeng ganon. You are selling your services. Pwedeng ganyan. Pwede rin naman na basta ang base knowledge dito is ikaw na seafarer, alamin mo yung iyong strengths and weaknesses. And then you use your strengths to monetize. Sana nasusundan ako. Use your skills, para use the passions na meron ka. Meron dito sa inyo, magaling magturo O, pati ka magturo sa school, gumawa ka ng online coaching business mo, pwedeng ganon. May iba naman sa inyo, magaling mag-repair ng makina. O, bakit hindi ka magtayo ng talyer mo? Pwedeng ganon. Basta hanapin mo ang iyong strengths. Okay, very basic lang tayo. Naririnig nyo na siguro to sa iba't ibang videos. Just find your strengths and then monetize it. Okay? And at the same time, identify the market. Kailangan merong market sa ginagawa mo. Halimbawa, sa mga taga-makinista, 'di ba? Yung ating mga yung mga engineers natin, mga makinista diyan, 'di ba? Daming bumibili ng sasakyan. Of course, may mga magkaka-engine trouble din. Mga sensor failing, fan blades na damage, ganyan. Mga radiator issues, ganon. Mga sensor issues, yung mga chips sa sasakyan, 'di ba? Tawagin mo si elect, ganyan, pwede rin naman. You monetize your skills. Yung iba naman, pag medyo tamad, pwede ka rin bumili ng lupa mo o real estate. Antayin mo appreciate yung value long term. Which I recommend, ito yung maganda kasi nag-a-appreciate yung value ng property long term, hindi siya nagde-depreciate. Panalo ka long term. At the same time, social media, meron ganyan. May mga YouTuber, pwede ka magkaroon ng online coaching services, pwede ka magkaroon ng publishing business, pwede ka magbenta ng mga ebooks or paperbacks, pwede ganon. Okay, but the idea here is this: use the money na nakuha mo sa barko to fund, kailangan ko pala ng bagong PC kasi gagawa ko ng YouTube channel, ganyan. Kailangan ko pala ng mga bagong gear, equipment, ganito, ganyan. Use the money na nakuha mo sa barko, cargo handling, cargo cleaning, ganyan, to monetize your business. Okay, na kung hindi mo naman trip yung pagnenegosyo sa video na ito, okay, hindi naman kita pinipilit. Okay, pero this video is for seafarers na nagbabalak na magtayo ng negosyo nila because ang daming nagnenegosyo na marino na hindi lumalago yung negosyo nila kasi hindi nila alam kung ano yung area kung saan sila magaling. They just, sige, tayo negosyo. Again, ulitin ko lang yung sinabi ko sa early part ng video, you need to find your strengths, not your weaknesses. Hindi lang din at the same time na, halika, tayo ng negosyo, ganyan. Because madaling mabankrupt. May mga kakilala ako, nagtayo ng junk shop, diba? Halika, sige, tayo ng negosyo, ganyan. Uso diba? Kalagitnaan ng pandemya, diba? Ang dami nagsimula ng negosyo. Hindi naman nila alam yung gusto nila. Di nalugi din long term. That's what we are trying to avoid sa scenario na yan, sa ating buhay, ganyan. So then again, find your strengths, okay, and never highlight your weaknesses. Okay? So then again, I hope you learned something new. Be happy, be healthy, and most importantly po, to God be all the glory. Keep safe. Ingat kayong lahat. I am publishing my Bridge Management Manual for Deck Cadets and Deck Ratings. Now, this is a compilation of all the manuals, procedures, steps, wisdom that we have actually applied on board the ship. Unlike any other books that, so much wisdom but you don't really use it on board. This Bridge Management Manual that I have compiled, this was used, actually applied on board our ship. All you have to do is read it. Now, this manual is a combination of GMDSS refresher worth 4,200 pesos, generic ECDIS refresher 2,500 pesos, SSBT refresher worth 2,500 pesos. Now, also, this is also a combined ECDIS generic, okay, 3,000 pesos, SSBT with BRM worth 4,000 pesos, third mate familiarization with full mission bridge simulator 4,500 pesos, passage planning with chart correction 3,600 pesos, radar navigation, radar plotting and use of ARPA operational level 5,200 pesos, radar ARPA bridge teamwork and search and rescue management 4,800 pesos, radar simulator course 4,100 pesos, steering course 1,500 pesos, automatic identification system 1,600 pesos, shipboard safety operation for deck ratings 4,100 pesos. Okay? I've stated a lot of courses here in this bridge management manual. Okay, this is, this isn't only just limited for the bridge management, but also, a snippet of other jobs on board the ship. Okay, now I have compiled it here. Okay, and I will publish it, and now it's online for Google Play and or GUMROAD. Okay, you can just pick whatever site you are comfortable at. Okay, may you have the wisdom that you wanted for your next position. If you are still, you are a deck cadet or a deck rating who are, not really confident on your next job, you want to become a deck officer, this bridge management manual is for you for this price. Okay, I have compiled it. We have actually applied it on board. Okay, and you don't need to worry that much. All you have to do is read this manual and actually apply it. Now, if you have any questions, you could always hit me up, okay, at onlinethirdmate@gmail.com. I will be active on answering all of your questions or confusion regarding your next job. May you become the third officer and second officer that you truly desire. Take good care. I am publishing my third officer crash course for our deck cadets and deck ratings who have little to no idea on how the job of a third mate is on board the ship. Sure, you can watch 60 to 70 or 80 of my videos here on my YouTube channel, but to save you time, okay, and energy, I have compiled this lesson for you, to save you time, save you money, save you energy, and also I want you to be promoted during a quarantine. Okay, because a lot of companies today are desperate on finding a competent third officer, but then again, it's kind of difficult right now because everybody is in solitary confinement. I am here to guide you, so you will never experience having, Philip, I am so scared of getting the next promotion as a third mate. Philip, I am so afraid of grabbing the next recommendation as a third mate. Well, then again, fear not. I am here to guide you on your next duty. Okay? Again, being a third mate is not that difficult on board the ship. The reason why it's difficult is because you lack the knowledge. On this third officer crash course, I have compiled a series of lessons for you. May you have the wisdom that you have been searching, and I want you to be the next third officer of our country.